When you make it to the top.
Boys and girls, this is your boy King Martin Freshboard. I'm bringing another video that will put a electric fireplace up. Me and my cousin and my auntie, she the cameraman. So just know that if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, tell about the comment below, and share your friends and family. And do not forget that Instagram, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So
don't follow them on nothing.
My cousin Lexus, follow her on YouTube. Well, I don't know what you call it. You already.
So start one, 2 on 4 upload, you know what I'm saying?
So yeah, so I put this up for my auntie. So let's get started. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we help the channel a lot.
Put on the floor.
Yeah, my name.
Okay. You like to get this?
Oh, it's a nice.
This is nice.
You like to get this? Okay, y'all. So we finna put the tools.
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
Not the tools, but the pieces and organized. So they got A, B, C, like A to Z.
And
so that's what we're gonna do, and we got some instructions, so you know your girlfriend and help out.
She ain't gonna do nothing but
Okay, none go there. Oh, so go right here. No, just leave that there. So it's gonna be. You can
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
She gonna say she don't know nothing.
Style.